Hey everyone, Sam Mackay here. Just want to do a quick update on the Analyst Hub here. So many of you will know that we are currently in the midst of developing a web-based application specifically for Power BI users. So we're aiming to build the ultimate collaboration tool for Power BI users, around the world, and also for implementation within organizations so that you can collaborate internally on your Power BI work. Okay, and so if you want to check this out, go to enterprisedna.co/analysthub. At time of recording, we're about 2 weeks away from our initial launch, right? So we're actually having a pre-sale that you can be a part of. So if you want to check out, we're offering it at a massive discount to those who get involved in the pre-sale. Eventually, this is probably the pricing of this is probably going to land between $15 to $20 per month, just in terms of, I can just see we're going to be enabling amazing value add for any Power BI user. And so during this video, I want to talk about this new feature that we're adding in, and also just do a really quick review of a range of different things inside of the Analyst Hub. Okay, so but if you want to learn more about the direction we're going, and some of the apps we've developed and how we're bringing it all together with the Analyst Hub, definitely check out our website to learn more. But what I want to do is I want to take you to this amazing application called Envision. And this is what my developers are using to mock up the designs, right? And I want to show you sort of a few things about where we're at the moment. And so, because I've also got more to reveal from a recent webinar we did on it, because of the additional things we're already trying to build in. So, just to reiterate, we are developing this at the moment. It's not completely done, but we're hoping to release it in a couple of weeks' time to our earliest supporters, so those who get involved in the pre-sale, right? So, in summary, the Analyst Hub is a log-on application where you're going to be able to use a range of different apps, but then you're also going to be able to save things to your own document center, to your own profile, and then share those particular documents to the community, to anyone who's using the app, or to your team. So privately within your team. And so some of the apps we already have designed as the DAX cleanup tool. So you'll be able to format your DAX formula, but also save all of your formulas. So you might have hundreds of different formula patterns that you use, the community uses, your team needs for your business. You'll be able to save those into your own personal documents. Also color themes, making sure that you're all using consistent color themes. We're also, and this is relatively new, some of these other apps, we're enabling a analytics planner, so you can plan out your development. You'll be able to do that individually, or you'll be able to do that for a challenge, Power BI challenge around. You'll be able to do that for within your team, making sure that everyone's on the same page in terms of what needs to be developed. We also have this other app at the moment it's called Dev Priorities. I think we might change it, but this is basically a prioritization matrix. So as yourself, or within a team, within an organization, you'll be able to show, okay, what reports should we be focused on now? What insights should we be focused on within our particular reports? And you'll be able to save this within the app and then collaborate on it. We also are creating a Power BI portfolio, so you'll be able to upload all of your different reports, your images of your reports, and also maybe a publish to web link. And this is going to be amazing for individuals if you just want to showcase your Power BI work to anyone. You'll have this really good navigation experience around showcasing that to anyone, really, to like colleagues or prospective employers, to prospective clients, so on and so forth. So and also in a team, you could catalog all of the different reports that you might have in your prototyping, that you're currently prototyping, or that you're currently like your official reports, and you'll be able to collaborate on those privately within the app as well. So this is just what we have now. We've got a lot of other things planned as well. But what I want to, and I'll jump into some of these, but I want to also really jump into this projects area. So what we realized when very recently when we created all these different apps was, well, you're going to have lots of different apps that you'll save, like different documents that you'll save, that all roll up into, say, one project or a range of different projects. And so you might want to group these. And so that's what this projects feature is all about, okay? So let's just have a quick look. So this is all of the designs that we're currently working on. I can reveal it's probably about 50% built, our MVP of the particular app. So we've still got a little ways to go, but it's looking spectacular at the moment. So these are all the designs. You can see how comprehensive this is. This is we're really going all in on this. I'm being completely transparent around what we're doing. This is going to, I just know this is going to be, provide immense value just because of my own needs, right? This is why we built the Analyst Hub, because I just thought there's all these great things that I need to help my own Power BI development, and so I just knew that this is going to have a big impact for others as well, and that's why originally we built it. So I'm just trying to find my projects area. I think, yeah, this is it here. Okay, so we'll have a quick look in here. So you'll have your let's just go down in here. I just want to show you just so you can see exactly how this is going to work. So you're going to have your own documents area, right? Let's try to find it. Okay, so you'll have your own documents area. So you'll be able to save your DAX formulas. You'll be able to save your color themes, so on and so forth, right? Your planner, your prioritization matrix, so on and so forth. So you have all your personal documents. You'll be able to filter to which particular documents you want to have a look at, for example. But what you can also do, and you'll see here that we've got private, shared, so on and so forth. But what you want to do is you might want to link some of these together into a project, okay? And so that's what we're going to do here. So if I just click forward here, that's the Power BI portfolio, actually. And when I say the collaboration aspect of it, you'll see here that on every single document you'll be able to have discussions. You'll be able to leave comments, so on and so forth. Okay. I just want to find this actually. Where are we? Okay, let's have a look here. So you'll see here that we've got down the left hand side and you've got projects. And so if I scroll across, hopefully. So what you can do is you can create a new project and click again, and then you'll be able to say name a project, right? And then what you'll do is you'll select particular documents to go into that project. And so you'll see here, okay, I want to select this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. That's what I'm saying is my project. And then I'm going to have a list of all my different projects down here. Okay, this is an awesome value add. It's something I identified immediately when I saw the amount of different apps that we were creating. And so we are currently developing this into the app as well. So this is something we haven't revealed before. It's just a new thing that we've decided to do, and I think it's going to make a huge amount of difference. And then you'll be able to click into any of these different apps, projects, and that will take you automatically to just what is in that particular project. Okay, and let's have a look through here. So you'll be able to select which project. Say you wanted to add something later to the particular project, you'll be able to quickly add that particular document to the project. And I think that's all I want to reveal up until now. Okay, so this is what we're aiming for. This is sort of more short-term aims in terms of our minimum viable product, like how we want to release the app at day one. So we've still got, there's still so much more we want to do, and we're gonna continue to work on those. But if you want to participate now, we are giving the best deal we will ever give, like by such a big margin right now if you want to participate. And so can't recommend it and more to have a look at the pre-sale. We're only doing it for $95 US for 2 years complete access, so practically less than $4 per month. And this is going to price probably closer to $20 per month. I think that's probably going to be where I think it's going to land just in terms of the value, and that we're going to be constantly developing. All right, think about all of the different things that you do from your work in Power BI. We're building a dashboard. I'm wanting to build a dashboard wireframe tool. I want to build a data model planner tool as well, an M code formatting tool, a data pipelines mockup. These are some of the other things that we haven't started developing yet, but what I want to add to this apps area. And so once we get to that point, think about all the ways you'll be able to save specific items, specific documents based through our apps, and then link those into projects. You'll be able to leverage off the community. This is going to be like a social network for Power BI users. That's sort of our end goal. Okay, I'm going to round things off on this announcement. This has gone probably a tad longer than I thought, but hopefully you're as excited about this new feature as I am, and also just excited about the Analyst Hub. So, I think this is going to be a huge hit. We've already had many hundreds participate in the pre-sale, so I already know that there's like really good interest in this, and that's really validated what the efforts and the comprehensive investment we're making into the Analyst Hub. So really keen to get you involved in it as well. Okay, all the best. If you really like what we're doing here, throw the video a like, appreciate it. And don't forget to subscribe to Enterprise DNA TV. Lots of great content coming out to you very soon. Okay, all the very best.